Okay, so yesterday we had the question, it was an English question about the best transitional sentence that would go between first and second paragraph. And here to tell us a little bit more, the English expert herself, Miss Tittle. Thank you so much for being here and giving up of your time. Please educate us, school us on transitional sentences and any test-taking tips that you might offer us to help us when we come across questions like this.
Hey Knights, it's Miss Tittle here, and I am here to help you prepare for this lovely test that we have coming up in April, which is the CAASPP test. I'm an English teacher here, so I think I'm qualified to help, but we'll see. So to tackle this question, I know that it's a lot of reading, but we want to start with reading the question first because we want to go in knowing our why. Why do you want me to read all of these paragraphs? So the question states, choose the transition sentence that would improve the links between the first and second paragraph. So knowing this, I don't have to worry about that third paragraph, right? So now to save myself some time, now I'm just going to focus on the first and second paragraph. Now reading the first paragraph, I know that it's about the benefits and the positive aspects of volunteering. And if we look at the last sentence, it says, you can learn leadership skills as a volunteer. If you work in an after-school program at the local recreation center, you might find yourself leading a group of children in a game of basketball. Again, we're looking for a transition to bring these two paragraphs together, so let's read the first sentence of the second paragraph. Many teens simply do not have the time to fit another activity into a busy schedule. That includes schoolwork, sports, clubs, jobs, and a social life. So we know that the first paragraph is about the benefits of volunteering. We know that the second paragraph is about the possible time constraints or challenges that one might face from volunteering. Now let's look at these questions. It's important when you have a 4-choice question to eliminate 2 or 3 that you know could not be the right answer. So let's look at question A, or choice A. It says the negative aspects of volunteering should not be overstated. That's a decent answer, but I think that we can look more into these answer choices and see if we find something better. So let's put that on ice. Choice B says, many teens need to be convinced that volunteering should be mandatory. Now think about this. If paragraph 1 is about the benefits of volunteering and paragraph 2 is about the possible challenges of volunteering, does that idea of volunteering should be mandatory, does that fit anywhere in this story? Probably not. So I know that I would eliminate that one from being a choice. Question C states, however challenging volunteering may be, it will, in the end, provide many benefits. Now think about this. If the first paragraph is about the benefits and positive aspects of volunteering, and we're transitioning to the next paragraph, which is about time constraints, then why would we transition with the answer of saying how it provides benefits? That doesn't make sense. So I would eliminate that. So now we have our choices out of A and D. Let's read answer D. It is understandable why students feel they cannot commit to volunteering in the community. Okay, so let's take option D and plug it in between the last sentence of the first paragraph and the first sentence of the second paragraph. It reads, if you work in an after-school program at the local recreation center, you might find yourself leading a group of children in a game of basketball. D states, it is understandable why students feel they cannot commit to volunteering in the community. The first sentence of paragraph 2 states, many teens simply do not have the time to fit another activity into a busy schedule that includes schoolwork, sports, clubs, jobs, and a social life. I think D is our great answer. Again, students, when you see these questions on your CAASPP, which you will, it's really important to start with reading the question first. Know your why, know what are they going to ask you, why am I going to be reading all of this? And then if all comes to fail, eliminate 2 that you know could not be the correct answer, because you have a better choice of guessing 1 out of 2 than 1 out of 4. Good luck, and I will see you all around campus.
Ms. Tittle, you are a rock star. Thank you so much. Our students here at Val and VVA are lucky to have you. Thank you so much. And hey, thank you all for your participation. Teachers, thank you for turning this on. Students, thank you for participating. You can do this. We can improve. It just takes practice, just like anything else. So, can't wait to see you next week. Question of the week.